The global community has recently recognised that we are in a nature crisis. Biodiversity decline is like we've never seen before. We have over 1,000 threatened species in New South Wales. We know that we've lost an enormous amount of vegetation, and so we need to work together in order to achieve the type of impact that's required to get nature back onto a pathway of recovery.
The work that we do with landholders, and we partner with over 2,000 landholders in New South Wales already, means that we play an important role in protecting, restoring and connecting biodiversity. We have recently hit a milestone in that over 500,000 hectares under a Biodiversity Conservation Trust agreement is secured in perpetuity, which means it is contributing to the National Reserve System and will contribute to Australia's ability to meet its 2030 global biodiversity targets. We hold money in an investment endowment fund, and our unique model means that as we continue to invest money into that endowment fund, we see returns that go directly back into the landholder's pocket and enable them to deliver the conservation agreement, but it also has an opportunity to deliver socio and economic benefits and capacity building as well with external partners.
The biodiversity loss that's occurred in New South Wales, we need to turn that around, and to get onto a pathway of recovery, we have to work together.
With 70% of New South Wales held privately, there's a unique opportunity for the Biodiversity Conservation Trust to work with even more landholders to secure on-the-ground conservation outcomes.